Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one interesting recipe which you guys can make it for the kids' birthday party or any party, guys. So today I'm going to share the recipe of chocolate biscuit cake. How to make chocolate biscuit cake without oven with three ingredients, guys. Only just three ingredients, no oven. So let's start. So I'm using this Oreo biscuit for this one, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some Oreo biscuit and I'm going to grind it in this blender. So I'm going to grind this one as a very smooth powder. Hey guys, I grind it as a very smooth powder and I'm going to add some sugar for the sweetness. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar into this. Only 1 tablespoon. Hey guys, so this is ready and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some milk to make a smooth batter. And I'm going to mix this one because there should not be any lump in this. So that's why. So I have to mix this one very well. Hey guys, my batter is ready. Can you see the thickness? So it should be like this. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add some Eno powder. So you can add 1 teaspoon of Eno powder into this. If you want, you can add the baking powder and the bicarbonate soda also, but it gives the nice fluffiness in the cake. So I added the Eno powder, guys, and you have to mix this one very well. And it's time to put it in the cake mold. Hey guys, here I'm using the small one so that we have to put it. We have to cook this one in the pressure cooker because I'm not going to use this one in the oven. So I'm going to put it in the Italy pressure cooker. So I'm using the small one. If you have a bigger one, you can use the bigger one also. So I'm going to pour this batter into this. Hey guys, for the decoration, I added some choco chip into this and I'm going to keep it in the pressure cooker now. So I kept it in the Italy stand, guys. So what you have to do, you have to insert one small plate so that we can keep this mold in the top of the plate. And I'm going to cook this one for 25 minutes in a very low flame, guys. Don't cook in the high flame. Please, you have to cook in the very low flame. And if you are cooking in the oven, you have to cook for 180 degree C for up to 25 minutes. Hey guys, after 25 minutes, I removed the cake from this mold, and when it becomes cooled down, you have to put it in the plate, guys. So it came out perfectly. And for the decoration, I'm going to add this one, guys. So you can add anything that is up to your taste. Hey guys, I put that decoration and I will show you guys how soft it looks like. So can you see, it's very soft, guys. I made very small one. If you want, you can make the bigger one also. So yeah, it's very soft. And in the another mold, I added some cashew nuts and raisins. So you can add whatever you want, that is up to your choice. So can you see, I added that cashew nut in the other one. Hey guys, this is a quick video of how to make a chocolate biscuit cake at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And please click the notification bell so that you can see all my latest updates and videos. So see you soon. Bye. Bye.